Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be the first episode of what I would like to call Versus, or a makeup showdown. And what I'm going to be doing in this type of video is talking to you about two products, or potentially more, that are designed to do very similar things or are potentially dupes for one another, and then talking to you about which one I would recommend after trying them both. If that sounds like something you're interested in, stick with me. We're going to get into it right now. On this particular episode of Versus, we are going to be talking about watermelon facial moisturizers. When it comes to this, the original OG is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Face Moisturizer, and I will put a picture of it here. The reason I do not have it is because I used it up to completion and tossed it in an empties video that you will never ever see because it was terrible, and you're welcome. So what I decided to do after that was try Ulta Beauty's version. They have the Ulta Beauty Smart Skincare Solutions Watermelon Sleeping Mask, which was 60 mils. And it came in this little glass bottle here. And then the one that I'm trying most recently is the Earth to Skin Super Fruits Watermelon Hydrating Juicy Serum. And it is in this beautiful little bottle right here. And it also comes with 60 mils. So the way I'm going to be doing this is by judging on the packaging, the price, and then also the experience of using the product, or my satisfaction with the product. And then from that, we're going to be able to figure out which one is the best and make a recommendation. So the original Glow Recipe Watermelon Sleeping Mask is 2.7 ounces, so 80 mLs, a little bit bigger, and it's $45. 56 cents per milliliter. The Ulta Beauty one retailed for $16, and it is 27 cents per milliliter. The Earth to Skin one I picked up at Walmart for, I believe, like $8.98, so $9, and so it is the cheapest at 15 cents per milliliter. Now the next thing is packaging. Both the Glow Recipe and the Ulta Beauty packaging come in a glass jar with a plastic cap, and you open it up and have to reach your finger in and scoop some product out. Ooh, sorry I gave you the finger there. Might be. And then the Earth to Skin one actually comes with a pump, and in the original packaging there's a plastic sleeve that slips over this so it can't accidentally get pushed down. So if you're traveling or something, that could be a good protection. In addition, it does twist open and close so you can lock it and unlock it, and then it just pumps out into your hand. So I would say for packaging, even though this is a plastic bottle and the other two are glass, and I do enjoy the glass more, that I appreciate this better because I feel like it'll last longer and less likely to get bacterial contamination from my hands or surfaces due to not having to dip into it the way I would this or the Watermelon Glow Recipe original mask. So this one wins for packaging. This one wins for price. As far as overall experience, all three have a really delicious watermelon smell. This one comes in last place though. And the reason for this is like rubbing maple syrup on your face. Like, it goes on feeling kind of like a aloe vera kind of gel in terms of like consistency. Very similar to the original Glow Recipe watermelon mask. However, this gets super sticky afterwards, to the point where like your fingers stick to your face when you're pulling them off. And that stickiness never goes away. I end up having to wash this off in the morning because it's still so sticky from the night before. And I'm not sure if there is a specific ingredient in this one, like a cheaper ingredient compared to the original Glow Recipe. But this one I would absolutely not recommend, and I would not repurchase no matter what the price was. I'm not even sure I would use this if I got it for free in like a sample bag or anything. I think I would pass it along to somebody else who maybe wouldn't mind that stickiness, just because it was so sticky, so abnormally sticky. Now this one, compared to the Glow Recipe, is a little bit thinner of a consistency. You can kind of see it sloshing around in the bottle. Like, it's not a super thick product, but I do like that it dispenses easily. I think it goes on nicely and absorbs into the skin. I also like because this is more of like a serum type product, you can add this with other moisturizers overnight to get like a really good moisturizing regimen at night. I am normal to dry skin, so this works really well for me. As far as the original Glow recipe, watermelon moisturizer, I do like that one, and it does have some AHA and BHA to help with your skincare needs. So I do think that that one is nice as well. So for overall experience, I would say both the Glow recipe and this one are tied for first. This one's last. So the claim to fame for the watermelon sleeping mask from Glow recipe is that it also has some glycolic acid and AHAs to help with like an exfoliation, a chemical exfoliation. And so I think if you have a toner in your regimen that already includes those things, you don't necessarily have to have them in your sleeping mask overnight. With that being said, I think my winner would be this one. Even though I'm just starting to use it, I love the packaging. I think the texture is nice. It's not sticky, it's not greasy, and it's less than $10 a bottle. Since it's 25% of the price of the original, I really have to give it to this one. I do have toners that will work in the rest of my skincare regimen, so that's not my concern. It has a great watermelon smell. It's not like a fake plasticky kind of smell at all. It's not sticky. I'm a fan. So the clear winner for this particular makeup showdown is the Earth to Skin Superfruits Watermelon Serum. Please leave me a comment down below as to which types of products you'd like to see go head to head in the next episode of Versus Makeup Showdown. And I would love to hear from you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you have not already. I will catch you guys in my next video.